This happened right now. Why? Here are the top 5 things I love about my car. This is personally for me, and also these are OEM things that came with the car and all the modifications. Without wasting any time, let's start with the first one. The wheels. These are from an A5 B9, and they are 8.5J ET29, and they are 18-inch, the same wheel that the S4 came with. Well, same size wheel the S4 came with. The headlights, they are modified, blacked out everything with blue O-rings. This is nice. This is one part of the car that I love the most because it's also visible. It's a visual mod. The third thing I love about the S4 is the supercharger, because this piece is not for show. It's actually a function piece. It's different to a turbo, and it delivers power differently. I love it, and this is how it sounds. And that's why I love it. It's actually my favorite piece or part of the car because it makes the S4 what it is, over and above everything else, OEM from factory. And the fourth thing I love about the S4 is that over there. Let me show you. Best mod I've done by far in the S4. The steering wheel, very nice to hold, very nice carbon fiber, real carbon fiber, and leather over here. It's really nice. I love that. And pair it with that gear shift knob that I also upgraded. Love the interior. That actually upgraded the car, made it modern, made it classy. Believe it or not, the fifth thing that I love about the S4 is that it came with this memory seat reminder or seat memory functionality. This thing makes so much of a difference, and it makes life so much easier when you're washing the car or when you're changing anything on the car. Then if you set your seat to number 1, then you'll always sit in the same position that you set for yourself. If you've got your partner driving the car, they can set into seat number 2. This is awesome. This is lovely. These are electric seats, so obviously this comes in handy. I love that part. For me, this is my favorite part as well, because I don't have to worry about readjusting my seat. And how it works with the seats and exterior mirrors at the same time. So you adjust this, it adjusts everything, including exterior mirrors, which is awesome. That is my top 5 list of the things I love about the S4. It doesn't mean I don't love the rest of the things or the mods or everything on this car. Don't get me wrong, I love everything about this car. For example, mirror caps dipped in carbon fiber, love that. Supercharged edge, love that. And when you go down the side, you'll notice that the car is actually low because it's sitting on lowering springs. Love those. They make the ride quite different in a good way. Also have a boot spoiler. Love this. Fin, blacked out, tailpipes, parking sensors, tinted taillights. There's a lot going on in this car. I've done quite a bit, but that's my top 5. I love those. Let me know down in the comments which part of the S4 do you love the most, whether be it modification or OEM. Yeah, I'm so not happy about this situation. It happened. There's nothing you can do. Some of the things you can't control really in this life, but yeah, they just happen, and you just have to roll with the punches, as they say. Yeah, we are here. We had to get the job done, and we did that 100%. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Click on that bell to be notified as soon as I upload a new video, and I'll catch you next time.